We're delighted by our most recent 5-star review from one of our valued customers. Our team works hard to go the extra mile, so this type of review is very rewarding. And here's what our customer had to say in our latest online review. Our staff works hard to deliver top quality service and optimal value. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and client satisfaction. We value our customers new and old, and whether you're brand new or been through our doors before, we would like the chance to earn your business all over again. We appreciate you stopping by and watching, and we're happy to answer any questions you may have. We are only one call away from serving you.